What animal is the symbol of the United States? Answer: bald eagle soaring high. Let's see what's next. Which animal can regenerate lost limbs? Answer: starfish, you're a star. Keep going! What is the fastest marine animal? Answer: sailfish, sailing through these. Here's another question. Which animal has a pouch for carrying its young? Answer: koala, cute and cuddly. Ready for the next? Which animal has the thickest fur? Answer: sea otter, that one was cozy. Time for the next question. What is the tallest land animal? Answer: giraffe, standing tall with your answers.